were like a Renaissance man, or like a polymathematician. You were also I heard that you were also you were like a Renaissance man, or like a polymathematician. You were also an accomplished horseman. You rode horses professionally.
Please don't evaluate.
Yes, I have suede jackets.
This is not a telephone. We don't need to tell each other.
Just doing deep bags.
So, on the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of the dog.
Right, my dog Chili dog. I dropped some cocaine in the bag.
Sniffing cocaine. It's Chili off of the dog.
Chili. My dog Chili dog. Called Chili dog. Yeah, I dropped some cocaine in the bag. I called Chili dog.
On the Dr. Phil show, you give a story
Please
about
don't
sniffing
bag.
cocaine.
Don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is we're not like this is not a telephone.
That would just I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but it felt pretty good.
On the Dr. Phil show, you give a story and you think good in what's
Look, if I told you how good it felt, we'd have to stop this interview. Right, my dog Chili dog.
The dog's name is Chili.
Real
Sniffing
good.
cocaine off of a dog. Right.
Right, my
So-
dog Chili dog.
Did you? I heard. So